nila nga magsulat-sulat sa isa ka table napkin. Dito nasulat nila ang kanta nga pumapatak ang ulan. I'll be coming right back with more songs from the group after I take a short break on 10 on I.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Super Fiber. May powerful detoxification effects ng plant fibers, prebiotics, and alkaline food. Normalize bowel movement, immunity booster, and prevents colorectal cancer. The fast-acting colon cleansing product approved by the FDA Philippines. Para sa masulhay ng pagpamuhi, Super Fibers ng Life Extension Philippines. Babakal sa mga butika.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
You need toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay